Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Concrete trucks are lined up and it's Friday. Let's go! Alright, we're action on. Another house slab. Step downs everywhere. Alright, we're into it. We're doing the brick footings again like we do. And the waffle pods, make sure you lock all your waffle pods in from the outside. Fill in your beams, these little bits in the middle. When you do your outside, do a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, and then fill your beam up in here. And then fill all this up. And then fill your top up. So yeah, should be a pretty good slab. 300 squares. Okay, we're into it. Just done a little step down and we've done a bit of footings. So we go around the step down first and then do the footings and pour the slab. So that's nice and dry. So we can strip it before we do the patio, hopefully. That's the plan. But it doesn't always work that way.
Too wet.
Alright, let's go. Hopefully no one touches that. It's normal. Normal speed. Where is he? Oh, here we go. Oh, this is in your room. We need a high floor. Yeah. Hey! No, you're right there. No, you're proud. There was a pad there. No, my side. I wouldn't do that to you, mate. Fuck. I hate people doing it. I hate when that happens. You good, Dave? Good, is it? Fucking wolf, Dave. Friday, bro. Friday then. How do I do what? Oh, let's go 630. Come on, boys, put it at my face. This is called 630. You gotta do it fast, mate. Go this way. My speed screening, it worked alright. But yeah, we want to close it up, so then you have to put more work into closing it up with bullfight. And if something goes wrong and no one bullfights, then you can't close it up because it goes up too quick. Anyway. You have good pullback roads, you can walk faster, but I don't hassle these guys. I don't work for anyone, I work for everyone, so I've got to learn to get along with everyone. I can't up every single person I work with. There's not much cream in this mud, so. Right, I'm gonna go over there. 7 o'clock, eh? Started at 5, they boys did. So it's taken us 2 hours so far. I'm a bit, maybe a little bit past halfway. Or maybe just even halfway. So that's alright. I'm doing the patio footings. Hoping I'm pouring the patio right now. Anyway, let's go. Alright, it's 7:15. And Lionel's on a 12-footer. This guy's like 60 years old. And he's a powerhouse. New Zealand, all you Kiwi guys, this is your man. Probably worked with him over the years, Lionel. Ran his own concrete companies and stuff. Very, very good worker. One of the reasons I make these videos is to get the young guys into the concreting. The old guys want to give shit to all these young kids and shit. But mate, one day there's going to be no workers left for us to help us. If we don't teach these young generation now. Who the hell wants to be a concreter? Everyone reckons concreting is the shittest job in the world. So if everyone has that attitude, no one's going to want to learn how to concrete. Why would you do that? Especially the way the world is these days. The young kids can make money on the internet. They don't even have to go to work ever. But who's going to build their houses for them? So it's good to encourage the next generation. And it'll take the older generation to teach them. Nice work, Lionel. Alright. Alright, it's 7:30. We're just doing this little bit here. Big knife scraped this little bit. Lionel's back on it again. I went around with all the brick footings down the bottom. I dare you, drink that. No, don't do it. Oh, just stick your head in the water, mate. Cool down, bruss.
I'm pretty cool, you know. Already cool enough.
People were freaking out when they seen Kyle do that. Crazy. Alright, we're just getting a bit more mud and we're gonna last little bit. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, all the slabs in. I think, what time is it? 9? 8:30? 9, yeah. Good shit. Let's go. It's 10:30. I'm on this one up here, finishing this slab off. I haven't really got a good controller. This bit just snapped on us. So I gotta use the pliers, use the nips and pull on it. Give the chopper away and then I get the shittest chopper ever. That's not shit, just needs a new control. Carl's finishing that one. The boys on the edges over here. We go and check this one down here. How's this one going, Lionel? This one going yet? Oh, it's still a bit wet, isn't it? It's just like that eggshell, eh? It's fucking cracking on top and wet underneath. Right, big crew today. One bloke there. Tui. Another one there, Nathan. Another one over there. We've got Lionel over here. James. And these two fuckers. There's a fair few crew today, and me. This is 300 squares, but yeah. This part's looking really nice already. Don't mind the mud lately. The mud's been really good. When you finish, you go all different ways. Here we go back and forwards, and that's it. You go across, sideways, ankles, every way that you can. The flatter it is, the better. Alright, I'm gonna get back into it. Island boy! It's 11:30 and these boys are on the island. Going crazy. That's done. That's done. This is done. Just this part now. And all the boys have stripped it already. Yeah. On to it. 11:30. We'll be out of here by 1 o'clock for sure. Oh, you always do all the work, okay? Why? Oh, you Viking concreting? Oh, you're an island boy. You're a gangster, bro. Yeah. What's poor Lionel doing over here on his knees? What are you doing, American? Thought you were a New Zealander, mate. All your New Zealander cousins and uncles are going to be disappointed in you, mate, on your knees. We never bow down to nobody. Good to work, bro. All happening. Should be done. Heated seats.
Yeah, heated seats.
Yeah. No, I've never been in a car with cooling seats before. Perfect for Queensland, but.
Hey, Rick.
What do you got no fucking shoes on for?
I was stood in the mud.
Everyone whinges at us for wearing thongs. They're going to be whinging at you now. Look at this guy. He ain't wearing any shoes.
Feet are burning though.
No, I bet so.
Very, very hot on this island.
But I just come over here and hang with the stripper guys for a while. Show what they're doing. Cleaning all the timbers, scraping them off. We usually put a lot of oil on the timbers, and that makes yeah. They're too dry, eh? That's why they're sucking the concrete up.
Some of these boards are so old though.
Yeah.
Still good, but just old. Full of water.
Yep.
What are you doing?
Boss over there, helicoptering. I'll hit it with a big one when he's done a bit. Make sure you clean all the boards all the way around. This is going up top, bottom, sides. Flip it over.
This time's got a bow in it.
Yeah. That little scraper's good, eh? Sort of, but it's a bit too sharp sometimes.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah.
If they get too sharp, I'll blunt it with a grinder.
Oh yeah, round it off.
A bit more.
Yeah, true that. That's good. You right, Nath? You all good? His face ain't red because it's working hard. Oh, he's working hard, but his face is red because he painted it red.
I put my lipstick everywhere.
You put your lipstick everywhere. Yeah. You were doing your show last night, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you forgot to take your makeup
For
off
the
your...
farmer.
Yeah. For the farmer.
Yeah, want me bacon and egg toast?
Oh, that's right. You've been visiting him again. Oh, he makes you all up.
Mate, I love bacon and eggs. Look,
Look at me.
your body says KFC, but your shirt says UFC.
That's funny.
Shit,
It's 12 o'clock. The boys are all packed up. A little bit of timber at the front there. You leaving it on there, car? Yeah. I'm just going to blacken this a little bit here a bit more. Want to hit my mum one time? Huh? He blackened his arm, did he? Oh. Oh. I think it's blacker than his arm already. And then we're done. Boys all packed up. Good shit. Happy, Kyle? Happy? What pub you going to? Oh. Got to go home today. He's in trouble. Alright guys, that's it. My day is over. It's Friday, week is done. Everyone's happy. Everyone's getting out of the sun. You right, Nath?
Yeah, pal.
You alright?
Yeah, we still got a few more jobs to go.
Have you got a few more jobs going on, have you?
Right, there's still caps over here.
The joys of being a labourer, eh? When you're a concrete finisher, but you do a labouring job. Ah! Bend over, bend over. Anyway, enough hassling these buggers. I'll see you all next time. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, there wasn't too much action. There was a bit of screeding there for us, but that's probably it. See you next time. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you can, because that would help. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Oh, look at this Mustang. And look at Utah's Mustang. And Jasmine's Mustang. You're driving, Jasmine?
Yep.
That's a go driving to town.
She's got one.
What do you want to sit in your car? I'm not even doing it. She's low to the ground.
Yeah, see, look,
Huh?